Yeah. Fishing boat coming back in just as the sun's risen. It's very pretty. This. Yeah. Wants to go see what his catch is. Oh, he's pulling right in, right, almost right next to us here. Pretty cool. Yeah. What a setting. This is just never ceases to amaze me how nice it is here. Usually the fella's wife will come and meet him here and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go have a look-see. I'll get us some pictures of the catch, providing the man it's okay with the fella there. Bye for now.